Bilhin mo na ako. Paul! Magaling yung algorithm ng YouTube, boss. Nag-pick up yung mga kanta natin. Magaling algorithm ng YouTube. Kaya kung nagkaka-monetize na ako, monetize yung ano, yung page nyo, magparusado ko mag-tip-print. Mag-tip ka.
Okay na yung song niya, okay na lang.
Ha?
Yung song niya, okay na.
Okay na. Okay na.
Ako na pag na. Ito lang oh, nakatagilid kasi kayo, no? Pero pag nilagay mo dito, ayun oh, pag nilagay mo sa cellphone, papantay na. Shout out, Carvin! Lagay ba yung cellphone mo dito?
Okay. Good evening, good basketball fans. Welcome po sa isang basketball action po muli ngayon between Austin versus Austin in yellow versus Spencer in white and yellow combination. Ako po nito ang yung lingkod, Arvin G Vlogs with you. And I will deliver blow by blow account for this action for tonight. And this is your best Big U Basketball League. Bakbakan na! Tara na! Ito na. Bakbakan na! Tara na! Ito na ang Facebook Basketball League. And we'd like to thank our following sponsors. Nako! Wag yan ko. Okay, first of all, a new sponsor. Ayan. Lux Choice, Lux Chloe, LC, Trading, Sing Apparels, and many more. Handog po ng Lux Chloe Trading. And also, of course, eto na, mabigat, ang malupit si I1 Nation, vloggings, events, and many more. Handog din po ng I1 Nation. And also, next sponsor, syempre, coming soon, a new Lombard face in town. Lombard, Lomi Barako Restaurant. Pabalik na yan. And sino pa ba? Of course, our usual sponsors. PSPQ would like to take following sponsors. McDonald's Qatar, MC Cuisine, Channels Kumitio, MC Cargo, Qatar Sublimation by Zira Nyada, MC Kitchen, JPX TV, Rinax Apparel, Coach Mike Movement, 3 John's Barbershop, PLBL, Imprint Advertising, Ako Paswang Qatar, Kapeng Barako by Lombard, and HB Kicks. This is your, of course, PSBQ Basketball League. Bakbakan na! Okay, pipito na po tayo yun. Ito pa magigitin natin referee. Harap po na po kayo sa camera, sir. Linya po kayo dito bago po tayo magsimula. Okay, these are the referees courtesy of FSPB, QBFR. Qatar full of referees po. Ito na po tayo. Taking charge for the law and order of this game. Ay magsisimula na po tayo, mga kababayan. Yes, sir, it's time now, game night tonight. Game time tonight between Austin clad in white and yellow and blue and purple combination. Lakers Moti po yan versus JPXTB Spencer in white and yellow combination. Okay, hello po madam. Good evening po madam. Madam Sandra, Kaus Dubai po. Okay, kinakontrol ito po natin. Okay, G-Shows with you, Arvin G Vlogs with you, and catch our weekly sports updates po. Every Sunday po yan. Live po tayo parate. And man, minsan, mag-review na po tayo ng in-game reviews din po tayo talaga. Okay, let's start. First game action between Austin and, of course, Spencer JP XTV. Let's get it on! Hoo-ha! Hoo-ha! Okay, ecstasy, extano. Tanong nyo sa kabayo. Tara na. Okay, first set po ngayon. First 5 now. Number 25, si Vilaro. Number 25 ng Guild State. And many more verses. 29, 5, 16, 23. And si Bulawan naman sa Austin. Okay. Number 29, number 5. 2 points, sinubo lang. 2 points, number 5. Then si Bondok, lalabas muna pa ang bola ngayon. Bondok to Eugene. To Eugene again from Bondok. Okay, dinadrive po niya ngayon ang bola. Number 25 to number 10, si Vilaro. 3 points kagad na minana natin Vilaro. Dapat lang. Number 20 naman, bumawi na ba siya? Wala. And si Eugene, binabatay ni number 33. Eugenio, to Bondok. Bondok, alley play. Nako, malakas. At nasa ilalim siya. High flyer po pala siya. Si number 25 ng Spencer, to Bulawan. Here's of pass. Walang pinasahan. Balik po muli po tayo sa JPX TV Spencer. Ito po ninyo si Bondok. Vilaro, Eugenio, number 25. Post-up play to Bondok. Nope. Wala. Okay, out of bounds. Balik po muli po sa Austin. Austin ball muli po tayo. Number 16, Bulawan. No. And tuloy pa rin ang bola. Nakuha na ng 23. Ay, si Vilaro. Nagmamag si Vilaro. Vilaro to 25. No. Bulawan to Feliciano, sidestep move, dish of pass, number 16, and offensive foul ang tinawag ng dakilang referee. Offensive foul called on number 26. Okay, balik po po sa Spencer ang bola. The score is 2-3 pa rin. Wala pa rin pong pagbabago. Wala, hindi na ba sa bola. Okay, ito naman tayo. 23 muli tayo. 23 to Bondok to number 16. Austin, leading the pack. Almost sa duo. Cassandra. Wala. Good ball pa rin. Vilaro. Bondok, nagmamatay to Vilaro. Sumibat na 3. Yes, sirree. Back-to-back 3 points already been posted ni Gerald Vilaro. Stalwart po yan ng Carrefour Games. Bulawan to Habana. Habana, wala. Ayun, si 25 for the rebound. Okay, ito na. Eugenio, may tangan ng bola. Si Eugene. Walang pinasahan. Balik po muli po sa Austin ang bola. Yellow ball muli po tayo mga boss, mga madam. Okay, dala po tayo ngayon dyan. Canopy Vlogs po, good evening po sa iyo. How are you, Madam Sandra? We miss you a lot here in Qatar. And hope you, wala pa rin, kinapos pa rin mga malabis Bulawan. Eto na si Bondok. Stripped away. Kambao, good evening po sa iyo, sir. Strain ball po tayo. Stripped away yung bola sa kanya. Wala pa rin akong battery pack. 25. Pops up. No. Rebound. Number 23. Si Habana. Harana. Okay, ito na. Si 24. Si Bulawan. The Golden Boy. Foul called on number 25. Number 25. Ashgal.
Number 25.
Big 25 called for the foul. Bulawan shooting for 200 po yan ng McDonald's Qatar. Kahit nasa Qatar po, love pa rin natin to. And also, of course, MC Cuisine. Ang aming lasa ay laging sigurado, MC Cuisine. Okay, second throw, jumpers ready. Malamig pa yata si Bulawan. The score right now is 2-6. Back-to-back 3 points si Bilaro, yung 6 po nila. Bulawan, okay. Basket made. Okay, now, again, si Eugenio. Eugenio to Bulawa, Bilaro, to Eugene, Eugenio. Bilaro naman na yung mag-isa. Malakas. Habana for the rebound. And number 16. Number 16, Mokoro, side step move, walang pinasa, walang tinamaan, bondok, pagmamadali, bondok. Eto na, nakuha muli. Nanakawan, Mokoro, Cassandra, power move, palpal ni Eugenio si Mokoro. Kiwi, power move. It's a foul call, pushing foul called on Habana.
Pushing foul number 23, Habana.
23 Habana called for the foul. Solidong katawan, ikang bultong katawan. Eugenio to Bondok. Stripped away, it's a foul called. Sumabit ka boy, sabi ng referee.
Foul number 25.
Foul number 5, Feliciano. Called for the foul. Peewee. Shooting for 200 po ng Giannis Gumetiyo. Team Spicy, Team Original. Mamili po kayo. Giannis Gumetiyo. And also, sama na po natin ang MC Cargo. Ang yung padala laging safe at sigurado. MC Cargo. Okay, Peewee. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo yun. Mr. Peewee. No, it's out. What a rebound by Bulawan. Driving in. Feliciano, palpala naman. Pero sumabit si Eugenio. Si Don Eugenio sumabit po.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Si Don Eugenio sumabit po. Free toss naman po ni Feliciano. Courtesy of course. Kata sublimation by Ziranyada and AC Kitchen. Quality pang pagana sa iyong hapagkainan. AC Kitchen po yan. Basket made. Eugenio. The score is 4-6. A relatively low scoring first half of the first quarter. Let's see after they're gonna pick up the pace. Eugenio for the rebound. Eugenio is a foul called. Foul Bulawan 24.
Foul number 24, Bulawan.
Bulawan called for the foul. First personal pala po yan. 4 team fouls po already ang Team Spencer JPX TV. Eugenio. Okay, shifting mula. Posing up kay Nako, and traffic. Nako, nililis siya ng bola. Mokoro kapos. Rebound din number 25. Eugenio. Na yung mag-isa. Eugenio. Sinagasa. Wala. Tuloy pa rin. Kiwi. 2 points. Peewee for 2 points and change 5 po tayo. Change 5 po tayo mga boss, mga madam.
Pasok na agad, change na agad.
Okay, change 5 po tayo, Madam Z. Oh, nagja-jogging daw pala. Ingat pa kayo, Madam Z. Saan po kayo nagja-jogging, Madam? Oh, maganda yung lugar na yun, ha? Okay. Ayeshes Campo is already watching. And tuloy po tayong bola. Change 5 lang po ito. The score is 4-8 at 4 minutes 57 remaining. First quarter action pa lang po ito. Okay, Yanson kay number 28. Edilio. Number 20, number 0. Edilio pops up, malakas. And out of bounds, same ball po tayo. Second half, 5 na po tayo yun. Sila JP, nasa loob na rin. Ayun! Wala pa rin. Rebound already ni JP Cristobal. Tomas Cristobal, one-hander, pasok ang bola. Balik. Dito. Bravago for 3. Wala. And to Benamer. Ayun, pinasahan. Mali, pinasahan. Mali, pinasahan niya. 25. Wala pa rin. To JP nagmamadali. JP, power move. Wala. Baka kapi yata sa ibang liga. Okay. JPX TV shooting for 200 po yan ang JPX TV. JPX lang ang sakalam and Winax apparel. Don't get out from my house without wearing it. Yan po ang Winax apparel. Yung sa Tagalog, huwag kang lalabas ng bahay pag di mo suot ang Winax apparel. Huwag kang lalabas ng bahay pag di mo suot ang Winax apparel.
Second throw by Kevin Cristobal.
Cristobal, second throw, pasok ang bola. Swak sa banga. Edilio, number 0, the drive. Ayun, sa ilalim, wala. JP. Number 9, wala pa rin. Bravago for the rebound. Wow, a very relatively slow. Up. Same ball. Same ball po tayo, same ball. Bravago for the inbound. HB Cakes, good evening po, sir. Yan pong HB Cake. Op! Si Daisy, may tawag po si referee sa baba. Number 25 is a holding foul called. Yanson shooting for 2. Handog po yan ng Coach Mike Movement, Master Doubles of Basketball, and 3 John's Barbershop. 3 John's Barbershop, the only person 100% Pinoy-owned barbershop here in Qatar. 3 John's Barbershop po yan. Okay, ayun, sayang. One more time, 0. Ayun, binuot ang kalaban. Number 0, 2 points. What a power move. Binigay number 0. Benamer. Cristobal, 100 naman. Pasok ang bola. Swak sa banga. Hop! It's a foul called again. Foul number 9, pushing foul. Number 0 for the inbound for Austin. Austin to Edilio. Edilio, power move. Hindi. Number 1, stripped away. Na yung mag-isa, malakas ang bola. Cristobal, JP Cristobal, side step move. Benamer, fade away shot, pasok ang bola. Mighty Mouse Benamer. Okay, eto na. Edilio, wala. One more time. Pass, always, stop. Hindi na po maabot. Sayang ang bola. Last touch po ni number 0. Same ball po tayo para sa JPX TV Spencer. Okay, now to Benamer. Number 9. Number 7, JP. Side step move. 2 points again. 2 points, JP Cristobal again. Nope. Pamalo, nope pa rin. Parang sarado rin sa kabila. Kailangang butasan yan. Tomas. JP, 100 naman. 2 points again. And it's a timeout called by Austin. Austin missing the services of your... Okay, game tayo. Okay, Alit. Don't look now. A 13 hit already been posted by Team Spencer. JPX TV Spencer. Wag na po tayong mabigla. Unting-unting umalago na po ang JPX TV Spencer. Okay, back to the ball. Muli po tayo. Austin for the inbound. Austin for the inbound. Si number 28, Edilio. To Ravago. Ravago dictating the pace to Edilio again. Edilio. Number 0. Number 0. Wala pa rin. Foul called. Pushing foul called. Ravago called for the pushing foul. Penalty situation for Team Austin. Again, JPX TV on dahil hadug po yun ang PLBL, Pinoy Legends Basketball League and Imprenta Advertising. We turn your ideas into absolute reality. Imprenta Advertising. Bigay yun yun. Okay. Second row, no good po tayo. Edilio. Ravago. Ayun, pumasok din sa wakas. 3 points, Ravago. Ravago for 3, pasok. Benamer. Nakuha, almost. Side step po, nakuha ni Ravago. Ayun na, nagmamadali. Edilio, wala. Ayos na po ni Benamer ang bola. JP for 3. Nope. Ayun, magaling. Number 1. 29. Ravago to number 28. Side step move. Number 1. Wala pa rin. Benamer pops up. 2 points again. Ravago. Ravago. 5 seconds remaining. Ravago. Lost the ball. Same ball. Last touch ni Benamer. Last touch po ni Benamer. God. Nope. Okay, that's it. End of the first quarter. First quarter, kalas. Second quarter coming up. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League, ang liga na masikat dito sa Qatar. Liga na masikat dito sa Qatar. And we'd like to thank the following sponsors. Diyan po ang Trigans Barbershop and Rental Advertising, Qatar Sports of Brazil, Nyada, Ako Plus, Qatar, and Mahaliga Cuisine. Sama na po natin ang Kapeng Barako by Glombar, GHB Kicks, BLBL, Trigans Barbershop, Coach Mike Movement, Winners Apparel, JPX TV, and our new brand new sponsors po pala. I will now like to inform you. The following is Lux Chloe Apparel and Iowa Nation Vloggings, Events, and many more. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Second quarter action. 9:21, 11 points been posted by Team Spencer JPX TV. Mr. Golden Boy Bulawan for the inbound. Oh, hawag kami muna. Okay, thank you. White ball po, sorry. Second bar, Giliena. Giliena, kaway naman dyan, sir. Kayo naman dito, no? Yeah, Giliena. Giliena. Number 11 to Eugenio. Number 7. Again to Bilaro, Eugenio, Bondok, Kiwi, nope. Ayan si Coach. Fabiano, and pops up number 12. Wala ka, boss. Eugenio for the rebound. Eugenio for the rebound. For the rebound, Giliena pops up. Wala. Pilaro almost, Biwi. Naku, malakas ang pasa. Nice play sana, pero malakas pang pasa. Boss, sir, baka bumigay po po. Baka bumigay upuan. Ay, yung mesa. Sorry, Ay! Outside, out of the bounds. Naging soccer po ang basketball ngayon. Okay, Bulawan for the rebound, for the inbound. To Kiambao. Ayan si Kiambao, nagpapakita na rin. Kiambao, ayun! Intercepted. Bondok to Giliena. Giliena, may tayo na bola. Giliena po tayo, Giliena. And Pilaro. Giliena to Pilaro. Wala, pilasahan na naman. Kalas. Kiambao, palpal sana. May foul naman pala. That's Kiambao. Coordinate na po natin to. Mas maganda. Eugenio, first team foul. Kiambao shooting po yan ng Iowa Nation and Lux Choice Apparel. Iowa Nation, bloggings, and many more events po rin po yan. You can sponsor any events po. And also, Lux Chloe. Bulawan offline ang shot. Lux Chloe. Yan po ang ating apparels and caps, bags, and many more. Giliena, getting space, no good. Bulawan, the golden boy. To Kiambao. Yun, nakapasok din. Okay, 10 na po kalamangan po ng JPEX TV, second quarter action. Bundok, no good. Giliena, Pilaro, short stop. No, wala pa rin. Okay, Okay, Kiambao will save the traffic. Siya na magana ng traffic po si Kiambao. Kick pass to number 3. Nakuha ni Pilaro ang bola. Pilaro. Uy! Pilaro shooting for 2. Gracia called for a foul. This free throw is brought to you by the following sponsor, Lombard Restaurant. Coming soon, ang pababalik po ng Lombard Restaurant. The Lombard, the new face of Blooming Barako in town. Yan po ang Lombard Restaurant. Nagtime po ang Team Spencer. Spencer JPEX team called over timeout. 7 minutes 23 remaining. The score is 11-21. Ito po ang ilang PSB basketball league with tonight na the first game for tonight. Class D division. No, it's intermediate division. Between in white, yan po ang Spencer JPEX TV, and also in yellow, Lakers Montipue, yan po ang Team Austin. Nagabi. Pilaro shooting for 2. Ando po yan ang following sponsor, Lombard Restaurant and HB Kicks. From Jordan to Lebron's, HB Kicks had it all for you. HB Kicks. Okay, Pilaro, second throw. Pilaro, second free throw. Wala pa rin. Kiambao. Garcilia, no. Ayun si Kiambao. Clean space and one play made. Basket made si Kiambao. Eugenio called for a foul. Okay, this one is brought to you by HB Kicks and Cup Bar by Loming Barako. Kiambao! Kiambao! 4-point play made! Back-to-back field goals by Kiambao. Okay, now they open up. Okay, medyo nagpipick up ng Facebook ngayon. Pilaro for 3. Palpal! Eugenio na ba na tumira na? Tapos, ayun si Piwi. Nice shot by Piwi. Bulawan versus Piwi. Malakas. One more time. Number 12. Wala. Piwi. Foul call by number 3.
Number 3, Chicago.
First person na pala po yan. Giliena for the inbound to you. To Bondok, to Giliena. Giliena muli po tayo. Piwi, balakas. Ang pasa, pumasok ang bola. Piwi, stolen po yung Guild State po pala. And now, Gargiano. Chicano, no. Eugenio, ito naman. Eugenio. On the ramp, Piwi. Hoy! Okay, wala po. Now, counted po. Foul po sa baba po yan. Inbound po tayo. Tumama yun.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 49 seconds. Position score 25.
Okay, Ejer Maliksi, Boy Rainbow is watching. Sila Prince Duran, RL Duran is already watching also. Si Ney. Ito. Only Genus Ney is watching. GBM is watching. And many more is watching. Eugenio. Shoutout po dyan. Giliena. Wala. Ayun, si Kiambao. Kiambao na naman, nagmamadali. Kiambao! No! Ayun, si Pilaro. Pilawan. One playmate kay Bulawan naman. Nice shot by Bulawan, the golden boy. Okay, Aquafos Qatar and also Imprint Advertising. Okay, kaya pa? Kaya pa? Sige, Yossi ka pa, sige. Bulawan bonus free throw coming up. Eto na. Pasok. Patok. Pasok at patok. Pasok na pasok. Swak sa baba. Giliena. Bundok. Bundok. Ayun. Malakas ang pasa. Don't look now. Austin Ball muli po tayo. Lamang na lang po ng 7 ang Austin via 3-point play ni Bulawan kanina. Lalamang na po ng 7. Lalamang na lang po sila ng 7. 3 ng 7. Ika nga. Oh! Offensive foul call! Offensive foul call! Offensive foul call! Offensive foul call! Sabi ni ref. Okay, may konting gabi lang po. Offensive foul talaga. Okay, change player po tayo at 5 minutes. Okay, change player muna po tayo. Change player muna po tayo, mga boys. Well, guys, change player muna po tayo. Okay, hindi po ito tayo mata-change player lang po tayo. Okay, Spencer JPEX TV Ball po muli tayo. Balik tayo sa una talaga. Okay. That's Tomas to, of course, si Benamer. JP. Number 9, traveling violation. Traveling violation called by number 9. Okay, balik muli po sa dalawang bola. Number 1 to number 16. Mokoro, number 28, pass number 3. No. Ayan, JP. JP, nagmamadali. JP, tap from behind. Okay, bumalik muli tayo. Number 28. 2 points, number 28. Simple but elegant shot. It's 2 points. By number 28. Tomas, number 26. Pops number 3, the lefty. Pasok ang bola. Parang pamatay sunog ang ginawa ni Tomas. Mokoro, tap from behind. Benamer. Benamer. Wala. Okay, 2. Same ball po tayo. Tomas. Tomas. To number 9. Number 9. Stripped away. Tumama sa hita. Balik muli po sa dalawang bola. Edilio, number 5. Ayun! Nice! Malakas ang pasa! Sayang! Number 25 called for the foul. Again. Second personal pa lang po yan. 2 free throws by number 1. Nope. Handog po yan na McDonald's Qatar, MC Carg, MC Gusin, and Janos Gumitiyo. Pops up. Yes, sirree. Okay, pito na naman ang kalamangan nila. Pito na naman ang kalamangan nila. Benamer. To Tomas. Tomas. Benamer. Number 9. Pops up. Nope. Ayun si fresh 14 second foul shot clock. Nakuha ni number 16. Intercepted. Malakas ang pasa. Balik pumuni po sa puti ang bola. Malakas ang pasa kasi. Okay, number 1 to number 26. JP pops up. Bang! 2 points, JP. 28. Number 5. Banging bodies. Number 29 for 3. Bang! Sige! Bumawi kagad. Okay, 6 na lang. 6 muli ang kalamangan ng JPX TV Spencer. 24-30. Number 9. Still completed. Ayun, number 1 malakas ang pasa na naman. Too much. Oy! Stepping violation. Stepping violation. Pamalik po ulit po sa Austin ng bola. Mokoro for the inbound. Inbound po si Mr. Mokoro. Mokoro, Feliciano. Yes, sirree. Okay, 4 na lang ang kalamangan ng Spencer JPX TV. Benamer. Tomas to Benamer. Touch pass. Benamer naman. Wala. Ayun, si Mokoro. Mokoro, number 28. 28, number 5. Palpal. Same ball. Nice D by Spencer JPX TV. Number 5. Number 5. Ayun! Maling pinasahan. Nakuha. Ayun. Nakuha. Nakuha number 29. 29 to number 16. 16 pops up. Malakas. Offline. Okay, time out to po. Nag-time out po si Spencer. Coach Joseph wants to map these things out. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. Any teams who want to join our league, just visit the FB page of PSBQ for details. Also, you can watch it live at the computer of your own home. Kung saan man po kayo, just click and type PSBQ sa inyong FB page po. Nando po ang live po right now. Or if you want to on the live in the venue, we're live always at the Perling Season International School in Doha. Sa Mansura po yan. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Tomas to Benamer. Benamer to Tomas. Ayan na, si number 25. Number 7, JP, pops up. Pasok na naman. A perfect field goal still by JP. Wala pang mintis yata ang ginagawa ng bata. Okay, 28. Ayan na. 29. Malakas. Nice pass. 1-on-1 situation. 3-on-1. Malakas. Foul called. Batala, pang matangkad. Feliciano, tatlo na po siya. Tomas. Cristobal. No. Ito na naman. Feliciano, mag-isa. 2 points, Feliciano. Sinubo na lang ang bola. Okay, again, 4 na naman ang kalamangan ng JPEX TV. Tomas, kay Benamer. Benamer, nakalusot. Ayun, tap from behind. Nice interception. 2 points. 2 points, number 29. Austin, training by 2 points only. Benamer. Ayun, nakawala. Nakawala rin lalo. Intercepted. Mokoro. Mokoro, tabla ang laban. Benamer. Number 9. Number 9, driving. Number 9. Wala. 25. Foul call. Ball number 29 ng Austin. Penalty situation. Austin. Peñular shooting for 200 po yun na MC Cargo. Ang yung padala ay laging sigurado and Qatar Celebration Sportswear. That's uniforms of all kinds of sizes, shapes, and sports. Handog po yan ng Qatar Celebration Sportswear by Ms. Z. Ranyada. Second shot, jumpers ready for the lead. For the lead again by Peñular. It's pasok. Okay, lamang muli po na isa. 5 seconds remaining. 28. Number 1, sayang. Out of time. End of the first half. The score is 32-33. Lamang po ang special JPEX TV ng isa. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. 5-minute break po tayo. We'll be back after 5 minutes po for the third quarter action. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. tayo mga kababayan. Laman po ng isa po ang JPXCB Spencer. The story so far po kasi Austin committed too much turnovers po talaga. Kaya po dumating po din. Of course, nag-rally po sila ng konti pero still laman pa rin po ng isa po ang Spencer JPXCB. Malalaman po natin yan if the game will magbabago po yung tension po kung yung Austin po kung amuy na po sila or still Spencer will win it after 2 more quarters. Okay, third quarter na po tayo yun. Austin versus JPXCB. Spencer, JPXCB rather. Okay, third quarter action po tayo yun. Okay, bola po ng Austin. Kulay dilaw. Bang, 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 bang. Okay, Gado for the inbound. Gado, ipapasa yan kay Kiambao. Okay, Kiambao already now. Directing traffic po tayo yun. Ito na. Kiambao. Kiambao, pops up. Wala. Okay, same ball. Still, same ball, same ball. Same ball, touch po ni Peewee.
Number 29.
29, no. Rebound to JP. JP called for the rebound to Benamer. Benamer, kinabit ni Kiambao. To JP, to Bondok. Bang! Nice shot by Bondok. Gado to number 29. No. Rebound ni Kiambao. Power move. Power move done by Kiambao. Number 1, si Mr. Benamer. Foul called. Ravago called for the foul. Ravago called for a foul, second personal foul. Peewee shooting for 2. Hando po yun ang paning sponsor. Bago po ito, Lux Chloe Apparels, and of course, Iowa Nation. Vloggings, events, and many more. Hando po yun ng Iowa Nation. Okay, second throw po ni Peewee. Jumpers ready po tayo. Basket made. Gado. Kiambao. Janson. Pops up. Pasok. Nice one. Traveling violation. Lamang pa rin po ng dalawa ang JPXCB Spencer at 8 minutes 24 seconds remaining of the third quarter action. First game pa lang po ito. Stampi pa rin second game po mamaya between Kapsat and Janice Gumay. Kiambao. Ball number 25, Peewee.
Second personal foul. First foul.
Kiambao.
Number 29.
Gado. Bang! Okay, don't look now. Laman na po. Kings favor po tayo. Laman na po ng Austin ng isa. Tomas. Benamer. Bundok na naman. wala. Piwi. Piwi. Foul called on Piwi.
Ball number 25, Enrique. Third personal foul. Second team foul.
Yambao shooting for 2. Handog po yung following sponsor, Lombar Loming Barako Restaurant. Coming soon ang pagbabalik po ng Lombar, the best tasting Loming Barako in town. Lombar Restaurant.
Score 38-40. 2 points lead for Steve.
And also, both free throws made. Laman na po ng tatlo ngayon ang Austin. Benamer, JP. Creating space, intercepted. Gado, nagatay muna ng rest back. Ayan, si Kembao. Pumasok ang bola. Pumasok ang bola kay Kembao. Tomas. Pops up, Dob, ayaw niya. Benamer, Bondok, nakalusot, floater. Good ball. Nakuha ni Bulawan. Naku! Kaya kalala. 2 points Kembao, lamang po lang 7 ang Austin. Benamer, kapos. Substitution made now. Bondok, labas muna, Gilena in. Pinagpay muna sa Bondok. Quality minutes made by Bondok. Gado number 0, 2. Rabago, wala. Ayun, si Bulawan. Foul goal kay Tomas. This free throw is brought to you by the sponsor. Of course, nandiyan po ang Mario Cargo, ay yung padalagin si Sigurado, and Cotton Supply Sports by Mizira Nyada. Sama na po natin ang AC Kitchen. Kung ano pang paglana sa iyong hapagkainan, AC Kitchen po yan. Bulawan, second throw. Pasok pareho.
Substitution.
The score is 47-38, a 9-point lead being posted now by Team Austin. Team Austin laman na po ng siyam kagad. Benamer, Giliena for 3. Pasok ang bola. Ang gising yan. Giliena, ginigising ang kanilang kakampi. Gumising daw tayo, kundi tayo matatalo, sabi niya. Kaya ito na po, and Bulawan. Kakasaguran, and to Gado again. Gado! No! Rebound, tinawag 25. Ayun kay Bulawan! Wala pa rin! Ayun! Kasauran, 2 points. 49-41. Laman pa rin po ng 8 ang kalaban. JP, Justin for the rebound. Giliena muli, wala. Foul called. Holding foul called. Number 0. Gados called for the foul. JP Justin around to Giliena. Nope. Nakuha ni Kembao. Kembao nagmamadali. Kasuran, nakuha ni Piwi ang bola to JP. JP. And wrong play sana, pero hindi po pumasok ang bola. Shooting for 2 si JP ngayon. Handog po yan ang JPX TV. Winaks apparel at samlo na Coach Mike Movement. Coach Mike Movement, mashing the moves of basketball. Benamer, nilabas muna para kay Mr. Eugenio. Cristobal shooting for 2. JP, first shot.
24 foul, Bulawan.
Okay, first shot made. Second throw, jumpers ready. Sabi rito, pasok niya si Von Shaver
Second
Chicano kahit pila yan. Kaya yan, sabi niya. Okay, sabi po ni
Rebound by Bulawan.
Okay, nice shot, Bulawan. Kiambao. Bulawan to Kiambao. Bulawan naman, nope, it's Gado. Kiambao against Giliena. And foul call to Eugenio. Sabi ni Ste, so siya, idol number 15, naglalaro kahit lakad varsity pa rin. Ha. Okay.
Substitution. 15 out, Feliciano in.
15 out, Feliciano in po tayo.
Takit po, sir.
Takil lang po tayo, Sir Feliciano.
Yan.
Kakataka ng pilis na bidad.
Bakit po ako sa ulo?
Okay. Kiambao, number 28. Floater shot, no. Bulawan. Feliciano, binapatan ng Giliena. Bulawan, na yung mag-isa. Wala pa rin. Tatapikan. Kasauran. Bulawan. Nakalusot si Bulawan. Wala pa rin. Kasauran. Wala pa rin. Rebound na ni Piwi. Giliena. Cristobal. Pops up. Nope, ayaw niya. Cristobal to Giliena. Ayun kay Piwi. And one play dito naman. In the sky plate. Dalawa na yan. Sa gabing ito. Bulawan. Kiambao. Pops up. Nope. Feliciano. Tuloy ang bola. 10 seconds remaining. Kiambao. Gado. Kasuran. Nope. Nako ni JP ang bola. JP. Nagmamadali. Si JP na naman. JP. Giliena lost the ball. And to na 28. Edilio, nagantay muna ng rest back. Edilio to Kiambao. Pops up. Nope. Feliciano. 2 points Feliciano. Power move. Ginamitan na nilang laki. JP. Bangs it in. 3 points JP. The score at 15:47. 4 points na muli ang kalaman po ng Austin at 2 minutes 41 remaining of the third quarter. Malawat, pumasok din sa wakas. Bulawan, 2 points. Eugenio, JP, pops up. Nope. Unang mintay si JP. One more time, kay JP naman. JP again, JP, sidestep move, nope. Yan is a foul called by Giliena.
Foul number. Timeout. JPX Steve Spencer called for the timeout. The score is 53-47. A 6-point lead been posted by Team Austin. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Uy, great play. 2 minutes remaining, 2 minutes 9 seconds remaining rather. Okay, 53-47. Laman po ang Team Austin ng 6. Kasauran shooting for 2. Ang Buena, Dignes Barbershop, and PLBL. Sama na po natin ang imprint advertising. Second round ni Kasauran, jumpers ready po tayo. Sabi ni Ceso siya, pakipasok si number 23 na Austin. Winning time na raw. Si Habana.
Ay! No, buti na lang.
Hop! Si Daisy.
Teka.
Malakas ang pasa, balik pumuli po sa JP ang bola. White ball muli, white ball, white ball. White ball po tayo, white ball. Number 7, JP, power move. Ayun, kay Peewee. Sinubo lang ang ball ni Peewee. Pampihira yan, parang ano, para may spring yung mga ano, mga binti niya. Edilio. Feliciano. Kasahuran, stop from behind. Foul by number 25. Penalty situation. Free throws kami pandugpon na Acropas Qatar and Kapeng Braco by Lombard. Sama na po natin ang HB Kicks. From Jordan's Lebron's HB Kicks, had it all for you. HB Kicks. Kasauran, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Score po is 55-49, 56-49 rather. Kasauran, second throw, pasok pareho. 57-49. 8-point lead muli po ang kalamangan ng Austin, the Yellow Boys. Ang tropang Dilawan. Eugenio, Cristobal, pops up for 3. Nope! Ayun na, number 10 na, nagmamadali. Kasauran for 3. Bang! Sine! Okay. Almost had it. 3 seconds remaining. Eugenio, sabi siya na maglalabas. Eugenio. Ayun! Muntik pa. Okay, after 3 quarters, ang Austin recover na po siya ngayon with a towering 11-point lead, 60-49. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Standby po tayo sa 4th and final quarter. Fourth and final quarter po na coming up. Handog po yan ng McDonald's Qatar. Kahit nasa Qatar tayo, lamper natin to. McDonald's Qatar. pressure coming up. Ito na. Giliena to Bilaro. To Giliena again. JP. Penular. Kapos. Foul call on number 15. Number 15 called for the foul. First team foul po yan. Peewee for the inbound. Peewee. Bilaro, na yung mag-isa. Nope, it's JP. JP, nakuha ng pick. Ayun, malakas. Bilaro, steal the ball. To Peewee.
Nice one.
Malakas. Isa pa, palpal. Yung number 1. Si Daisy, out of bounds. Yes, symbol po tayo. Symbol po tayo mga boss, mga madam. Giliena for the inbound. And to JP. Giliena pops up. Nope, ayaw. Peewee. Okay, a foul again called. Jersey number 1 called for the foul. Kick pass, Benamer pops up. Malakas. Nice rebound by number 15. Edilio. Walang pinansahan. Peewee, palpal, almost got it. Foul number 12.
Second personal foul, then deep ball was
Okay, this sprint is brought to you by McDonald's Qatar, MC Cuisine, and Jonas Gametio. Peewee, no. Second throw, jumper ready po tayo. Wala. Oh, basket not made. Giliena. Edilio. Chiro. Nope. Bilaro. Kick pass. Benamer. 2 points, Benamer. Marami pa akong kinakanan yan. Okay. 7 minutes 57 remaining. 7:55. Gado again. Bang! Sinin! Gado. Si Kapitan Gado, pumasok na naman na kayong 3 points. Peewee! Pinato na lang. Good ball pa rin. Rebound yung number 1. Si Kimi naman. Okay, banat na. Edilio. Ha! Ayan na. Edilio. 2 points again. Back to back. Field goals ng Austin na naman. 14-point lead now been posted by Austin basketball team. Benamer. Jay Bilaro nakapasok sa wakas. Ayun, number 1. Blocked by number 25. JP, sidestep move. 2 points, JP. Okay, timeout na call by Austin. Nakakasense po sila ng resurgence ng Spencer JPX TV. Inom tayo. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo yun. The time remaining, 6 minutes 49 seconds remaining. Ang score po natin ay 65-56. Lamang pa rin po ng Austin ang siyam. Austin. Austin leading by 9 points. Ito na po tayo. Ito na. Ayan na. Nakawala muli. Kick pass kay Benamer. Sayang. Kinanan kasi. Gado na naman. Naku. 3 points again. Gado 3 points. Ayan. Pinasos number 20. Sabi ni Soso shot. Okay. Ilaro again for 3. Ayaw muna. Binabat niyan kasi. Again. One more time. Nako. Let's check. Up! Good ball! Bulawan! Palpal! Bulawan shooting for 2. Bulawan shooting 100 point ng Janus Gumitio again. MC Cargo and Catal Sublimation may Z Ranyada. Bulawan. First shot. Pasok. Second throw, jumper slide po tayo. Pumasok pareho. Okay. 56-70, 14 point again been posted by Spencer. Hey, by Austin rather. Austin. Laman po ng Austin ng 14 ha. To clarify lang po. Okay, ito na. Hook. Cristobal, pops up. No, ayun, kinapos. Rebound, number 28. Number 24, may tangan ng bola. Si Bulawan. To number 0, si Gado. Kapitan Gado. And nako ni Piwi ang bola. No, nako ni Bulawan. 2 points again. Nice passing. Napakabilis ng pasan kaya hindi ko na-interpret ang ginagawa nila. Eto na. Piwi naman. Foul called.
Ball versus number 24.
24 called for the foul. Bulawan. Piwi shooting for 2. Courtesy of ANC Kitchen. Kuwaling pampagana sa iyong hapagkinan. And JPX TV. Pops up. Wala. Second throw, jumper slide po tayo.
Second throw by Enriquez.
Nope. Off night. Wala. Bulawan again for the rebound. Number 20. 20 traveling violation. Okay, 25 na. Pumasok muna para kay Habana, number 23. Si Benamer for the inbound. Benamer to number 25. To Benamer. Benamer number 1. To number 7, Cristobal. Number 25. Wala pa rin. Bulawan zigzagging. Edilio. Number 0, si Gado. Ang kapitan ng bayan, si Kapitan Gado. Now, to number 29. 29 for 3. Damn! Okay, timeout to call by Spencer JPX TV. The score is a 19-point lead being posted by Austin team. The Yellow Boys, ang tropang Dilawan. 75-56 ang kartada. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Okay, 4 minutes 17 remaining. The score is 75-56. 11 na po ang kalamang ng Austin. Okay, Kabsat. Kulisin ka ba Kabsat versus Jana? Okay, ito na po tayo. 25. Nice team Austin, sabi ni Vin Ginebre. Sabi ni Sasa Show, night-night naman daw. 25, power move. Ayun, pumasok din sa wakas. Kaya pa yan. Rally lang isang rally maganda. Magwelda kayo. Sige, magwelda. Bulawan, no. Nag-drive, pinasa muna. Naipin. Ayun si JP. Nagmamano JP. Side step move. 2 points JP. 15. Sige, isa pang rally kinakailangan nila. Isa pang rally daw, sabi ni Coach Joseph. Number 29. 29, pass of 3. Bang! Sige! Saan nang gagaling yun? Yung mga balang yun. Para may tagong bala na pinapanood. JP, 25, 2 points, 25. Balik po muli po tayo kay number 28 ng bola, 78-62. Laban po ng 16. Eto na, Ravago against Peewee. Nakuha ng pick. Ravago naman. Wala. Ayun, si 25. To JP na naman. JP nagmamadali. Thomas. Toop. Lost the ball. Austin ball muli po tayo. Again, to number 28 rather. 28 side step move. Malakas ang pasa. And now nakuha po ni Peewee ang bola. Peewee. Uy. Okay. Hands po called. 28 called for an Anspo foul. Pahinga muna siya. Number 25 shooting for 2 plus ball possession po yan sa team JP Spencer. JPX TV Spencer rather. Pahinga muna siya 2 minutes po. Peewee shooting for 2. Okay. Okay, basket made. Second shot ni Peewee. No shooting. Uy, sayang. No shooting pati. Mark Anthony Cruz Ravago. Pagod na, kaga. King Utoy. Tama. Pwede. Mamiliman pala siya. Okay. 78-63 ang 15-point team posted. Okay, ito na po tayo yun. Peewee. Pops up. Bang! Sige! Tulang. Long two. 70-65. Lamang po ng 13 ang kalaban ng Jake, ang Austin. Foul call sa baba. Benamer called for the foul. Kiambao. Nagan mamapasan. Kick pass. Ayun. Naku ni Tomas to JP. Kumbos. One more time. Ay. Sayang. Okay, last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Get his back. Okay, Rabago, offensive foul called. Rabago, offensive foul, halatado, binalikat ang bata. Tomas for 3. No. Okay, wala, ano na yan. Okay, bilis. So, that's safety na. Safety basketball po tayo. Safety na lang po. Safety, Feliciano, 2 points pa. Feliciano, 2 points. Cristobal to Piwi. Wala pa rin. Piwi muli. Wala pa rin. Wala talaga. Malas talaga. Okay. Malas Piwi. Feliciano. Pops up. Pimasok pa. 3 points Feliciano. Okay. Safety basket na lang po tayo. Safety na lang po tayo. Foul called. Rabago. Sir.
Substitution.
Penalty situation. Benamer for 2. Ando po and the following sponsor. Winax Apparel, Coach Mike Movement, and 3 Johns Barbershop. First throw ni Benamer, pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. Benamer, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pasok pareho. Okay, 50 seconds remaining. Okay, that's it, I believe so. Habana naman, malakas. Garcia, wala pa rin. Okay, 2 points. Garcia, 2 points.
35 seconds.
33 remaining. 32 seconds. 30 seconds remaining. JP. Okay, that's it. Okay. White team conceded. Final score 85-67. Congratulations for winning for your victory. Team Austin, ang tropang Dilawan. Okay, Austin for the win. Hey, final score 85-67. This is the Best BQ Basketball League. A word from our sponsors. This is your Pinoy Basketball League. We'd like to thank our following sponsors. Unahin po natin ang McDonald's Qatar, MC Cargo, Janus Cometio, MC Cuisine, Qatar Sublimation, MC Kitchen. JPX TV, Winax Apparel, Coach Mike Movement, 3 Johns Barbershop, PLBL, Imprint Advertising, Ako Basuang Qatar, anak ng HB Kicks, Kalabang Babay Lombar, and of course, ang new sponsors po. Siyempre nandiyan po yung original Lombar Restaurant. Lombar Restaurant, ang original po natin. And last but not least, our new sponsors, Luxy Choice and Team Iowa Nation. Maraming salamat po. Itong PSBQ Basketball League. Standby po the second game po between Kabsat and, of course, Janus Gourmet. Thank you po. Okay, Team Austin, ang tropang Dilawan, second row na po nila. Congratulations po. Thank you po. Okay. Ayan na, yan. Ayan, thank you po. Okay, sabi po kayo sa inyo po, ha? Okay, ito po, one of the best player of the game po, si Mr. Kimi, number 1 po, Sir Austin.
Kanina po siya parang nangapa po kayo, pero lately po parang humabol po kayo. Nangapa po kayo data kanina, pero lately humabol po kayo.
Konting adjustment lang sa sa mga kasama. At least nagkaroon ng halika dito tol.
Sumama mo pa, uy. Ay, di kaya. Sumama mo. Okay, Bulawan. Same question po. Kung nangapa po yata kayo kanina, tansya ko. Lumang po yung kalaban mo ng todo.
Meron po kasi warm up.
Warm up talaga. And Kimi, ko naman, ano yung sigot mo kanina sa akin kanina?
Yun, nag-a-adjust pa ako sa laro kasi
Adjusting pa rin. Adjusting mode, ha? Okay. Sama na po kayo, sir. Sikat na kayo. Dito na. Okay, si number 20 sumama si number 29. O, sir, pipicture na kayo ata, sir. Okay, si number 20. Sir, same question po, sir. Paano nyo po na-recover po yung laro nyo po kanina?
wala lang sa
Tiwala pa rin, ha? Okay. Okay, ano pa po?
yan lang, laging may teamwork at makinig sa mga
Nakinig sa coach yung malamang, no?
injury.
Okay.
Medyo na pumasok.
The injury, nalog na, no? Okay, okay yun. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. Shoutout po tayo. Sige, Bulawan ko muna. 1 minute.
Team Norte. Yun lang, Yolo.
Opo, hindi ka pa tapos dito. Oy, hindi ka pa tapos. Okay. Sasawa mo naman. O, sir, ikaw. Shoutout din.
Tropa ko sa
Kompresyo.
shoutout sa mga Tagailocos Norte. Shoutout
Oh,
sa mga Tagailocos
Locos Norte. Ayos, ah.
Salamat po.
Okay, thank you po. Teka.
Sa mga
Sige.
kapatid ko, nanay ko,
Okay, yan po. Wait. Last question. Ano pa maasahan pa sa Team Austin po? After your second victory na po. What to expect more from Austin?
nila na madaming pasabog bawat isa.
Okay, then ikaw, Mr. Number 1. Miss...
Madaming pasabog. Sana madami pa akong matututunan sa
Sige, ayun po. Ito po ang Team Austin. 2 na po sila. 2 nating kartada po. 3, 1,